I'm meteorologist John Marshall, the talk of the town. What is going to happen with Tropical Storm Joaquin? It should become a hurricane. There's been a lot of chatter and a lot of hype about this storm and just how much rain is going to fall in the next, let's say, 5 days. Here's what we know before we get into the maps. There's going to be at least 2 rounds of rain. We had a little bit of rain earlier on your Tuesday in some areas, but the main batch works in over Tuesday night through Wednesday about noon. It quits. Another round of rain works in Thursday evening through Friday, and that can be heavy at times as well. And then the weekend, big old question mark, folks. What happens with that storm will determine our weather and how much rain works back in off the coastline. Okay, we're looking at the European map right now. It's one of the most, let's say, reliable models that we use in weather. And there is Joaquin, east of the Bahamas for your Wednesday. We have some rain working in, and then by Thursday, it should quit, and an arc of moisture works in Thursday evening through Friday with rain heavy at times. Notice all these lines? That's the pressure gradient. It will become very windy here Friday into Saturday. I'm worried about coastal flooding, beach erosion, and some very strong winds just because of the difference of pressure between high pressure to the north and any storm in this. There's Joaquin, which the European, by the way, takes well offshore for the weekend, does not give us hurricane effects at all on the coast or tropical storm effects. It's just the combination of that storm with the setup in an upper level low that will give us our inclement weather for the weekend. Again, that's a possibility. We're going to have to fine tune this forecast. One thing is for sure, we are not sure where this storm is going. This is what you call a spaghetti models. There's about 6 or 7 computer models that track hurricanes. Well, we've got one track coming up the coastline, let's say from the Carolinas to New Jersey. That's one school of thought. We have another track or school of thought coming offshore toward Bermuda. The European, that reliable model, yes, I'm biased towards it, has an offshore track, which is great news for us. The thing is, we are going to get a copious amount of rain over the next, let's say, 3 to 5 days. How much rain? Well, take a look at this map. This is through 5 days, from now until about Sunday. This is what is possible. 6.6 to 7.6. So we've got a ton of rain possibly headed our way. Again, in 2 rounds. Tomorrow, then a break after lunch hour, then again redeveloping Thursday night into Friday. Also, the big question mark is this weekend. Joaquin, offshore on the coast, throws back an arm of precipitation into the mid-Atlantic. It's a possibility. That's why we have these amounts so high. It's not a certainty, folks. And let's get into the 5-day forecast right now. Here it is. Wednesday, again, rain overnight tonight through Wednesday, tapering off around lunchtime. The temperatures start off at about 72 degrees, then fall into the 60s. It will be chilly by afternoon. I don't know about you, but I'm sick and tired of the humidity out there. Thursday, a break. Cloudy skies, rain redeveloping, light rain at that. By Thursday evening, Thursday night, 61. The rain could come down heavy at times. Thursday night through Friday, notice it becomes windy. Friday into Saturday. Rain heavy at times Friday, 64. Saturday, question mark. A chance of rain. How does Joaquin interact with whatever moisture is left over with that frontal boundary along the coast will determine how much rain we get. Right now, gut feeling is we are not going to see anything, obviously, like Sandy. Please, people are even using that term maybe just because that was the last significant tropical or ex-tropical system that affected the area. Just know we're watching the situation and we'll have conditions updating as warranted. I know it's a little dicey out there, but just know you can come here with the no-nonsense, no-hype forecast. I'm meteorologist John Marshall.